Feeding the future. Farming in the age of technology. Agriculture is the bedrock of civilization. It's how we put food on our tables. It's how we nourish our families. And as our global population continues to grow, so too does the urgent need to revolutionize our farming practices. The good news is that a new era of agriculture is dawning, driven by cutting-edge technologies that are transforming the way we grow food. From artificial intelligence to gene editing, these innovations hold the key to increasing crop yields, conserving precious resources, and ultimately ensuring food security for generations to come. The future of farming is here, and it's brimming with promise. Gone are the days of relying solely on traditional methods. Today's farmers are embracing a new toolkit of high-tech solutions. These technologies are empowering farmers to make data-driven decisions, optimize resource allocation, and enhance the efficiency of their operations like never before. Join us as we delve into the exciting world of technology-driven agriculture and explore how these innovations are shaping the future of food production. Farming with precision tailoring technology to the field. Precision farming is at the forefront of this agricultural revolution. It's about giving crops exactly what they need when they need it. No more, no less. Imagine a farmer who knows precisely how much water, fertilizer, and pesticides each section of their field requires. That's the power of precision farming. By leveraging technologies like GPS, sensors, and data analytics, farmers can create detailed maps of their fields, identifying variations in soil quality, moisture levels, and even plant health. This information allows them to tailor their farming practices with pinpoint accuracy. The benefits are significant. Precision farming reduces waste, saves money, and minimizes the environmental impact of agriculture. It's a win-win for both farmers and the planet. Eyes in the sky drones and sensors revolutionizing crop monitoring. Drones have taken to the skies, providing farmers with an unprecedented view of their fields. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, drones can capture a wealth of information about crop health, irrigation efficiency, and potential problems. Imagine being able to identify a pest infestation or a nutrient deficiency before it's even visible to the naked eye. Drones make this possible. These aerial scouts provide farmers with real-time data, enabling them to make timely interventions and protect their yields. Sensors placed strategically throughout the field also play a crucial role in precision agriculture. They monitor factors like soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels, transmitting this data wirelessly to the farmer's computer or smartphone. This constant stream of information empowers farmers to fine-tune their irrigation, fertilization, and pest control strategies for optimal results. Section 4. Reaching New Heights. Vertical farming and the future of urban agriculture. Vertical farming is taking root in urban centers, bringing food production closer to consumers. Imagine skyscrapers transformed into fertile fields stacked one on top of another. This innovative approach to agriculture utilizes controlled environments, artificial lighting, and hydroponics to grow crops vertically, maximizing space and resource efficiency. Vertical farms require significantly less water and land compared to traditional farming methods, making them ideal for densely populated areas. But the benefits go beyond just space optimization. Vertical farms can produce crops year-round, regardless of weather conditions, ensuring a consistent and local food supply. They also eliminate the need for harmful pesticides and herbicides, providing consumers with fresh, healthy, and sustainably grown produce. Section 5. Engineering abundance, gene editing, and the pursuit of crop improvement. Gene editing technologies such as CRISPR are revolutionizing crop improvement. Imagine crops that are naturally resistant to pests, diseases, and harsh environmental conditions. Gene editing allows scientists to make precise changes to the DNA of crops, enhancing desirable traits and mitigating vulnerabilities. This groundbreaking technology holds immense potential for increasing crop yields, reducing reliance on pesticides, and developing crops that can thrive in challenging climates. While gene editing in agriculture is still in its early stages, it has already shown remarkable promise. From drought-tolerant corn to disease-resistant bananas, gene-edited crops have the potential to transform global food security. However, it's important to acknowledge the ethical considerations surrounding gene editing and ensure that this technology is used responsibly and sustainably. Section 6. Artificial Intelligence, the Invisible Hand Guiding the Future of Farming. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is quietly revolutionizing every aspect of our lives, and agriculture is no exception. Imagine a farm where AI algorithms analyze data from sensors, drones, and weather forecasts to optimize irrigation, fertilization, and harvesting schedules. AI-powered systems can detect patterns and anomalies that humans might miss, enabling farmers to make more informed decisions and improve their overall efficiency. AI is also playing a crucial role in precision livestock farming. Smart sensors can monitor the health, behavior, and feeding patterns of animals, alerting farmers to potential issues before they escalate. This not only improves animal welfare but also enhances the quality and safety of livestock products. Section 7. Cultivating a Sustainable Future. Technology's role in feeding the world. As we look to the future, it's clear that technology will play an increasingly vital role in feeding our growing population sustainably. The innovations we've explored represent just a glimpse of the transformative power of technology in agriculture. These technologies have the potential to address some of the most pressing challenges facing humanity, from food security to climate change. By embracing these advancements, we can create a future where agriculture is more efficient, resilient, and environmentally friendly. The journey towards a more sustainable and food-secure future starts with embracing the power of technology in agriculture. The future of farming is bright, and it's ripe with opportunity. Let's cultivate a future where technology and innovation go hand in hand with sustainable and equitable food production for all.